Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Shopify Magic to write product descriptions automatically. Writing product descriptions can take a lot of time, especially if you have multiple products in your store. That's where AI tools like Shopify Magic and third-party apps come in. They can generate high-quality descriptions in seconds. To begin, open your browser and log into your store dashboard on Shopify. Once you're inside the admin panel, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Yodel AI ChatGPT descriptions and locate the app. Once you find Yodel AI ChatGPT descriptions, click on it and select Install. After installation, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. This will take you to the Yodel interface, where you can start generating product descriptions using AI. Inside the app, you'll be able to select products from your store or input product details manually. Yodel is designed to work with your existing product listings, so you can easily generate descriptions in bulk or one at a time. Next, choose the type of content you want to generate. Since we want product description, we'll select that option. From that, we'll again select if it's a single, or for many products, we'll select single. Now choose the product you want the description for. Here, enter key details about your product such as SEO, keywords, special instructions, the tone, the length, as well as the language. The more specific your input, the better the AI-generated result will be. Once everything is set, click Write. Yodel will instantly create a product description based on your inputs. Review the generated description carefully. You can edit, refine, or regenerate it if needed until it matches your brand voice and expectations. After finalizing the description, apply it directly to your product or copy it into your Shopify product page. Using Yodel AI ChatGPT descriptions with Shopify allows you to quickly scale your store content while maintaining quality and consistency. To summarize, using Yodel AI involves installing the app from the Shopify App Store, selecting your product, entering key details, and generating a description with your preferred tone and style. This helps you create high-quality product descriptions quickly without writing them manually. And that's how to write product descriptions automatically using Yodel AI on Shopify. By leveraging AI tools, you can save time and improve your product listings with ease. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.